Hey guys, welcome back to the world of Mr.Experfix. Many of you have made gigs on Fiverr platform but did not get success in getting orders. In this video I will show you how to earn money when someone clicks on your provided links to order service from other freelancer. Yes, this is possible by Fiverr affiliate program. Open Chrome or other browser that you have and search Fiverr affiliate program. Then click on first link to open affiliate program website. Scroll down to see details on website. You'll see the commission plan which shows 3 steps to earn money. You can see the benefits of Fiverr affiliate program. Now click on Join Now button on top to open sign up page. Enter your first name, last name, email address, username, choose password, choose account type as private. If you have any source of traffic like website, Facebook page, etc., then select yes. Select country. Select language. And click on Next button. I have already signed up. So I will click on Login button to log in to my account. Enter your username and password here and click on Login button to log in to your account. This is main dashboard of the Fiverr affiliate program account containing clicks, impressions, commission, etc. On the left side you see marketing tools. Go to default and deep links option. Here you see different options. But what to do at this page? We will understand this later. First we will open Facebook. Search need logo design. And choose posts option from left menu. Now, open fiverr.com website and search logo design. You see many gigs here related to logo design service. Select that gig which is top rated, have good reviews, and have budget according to the customer. I will choose this gig and have opened it. You have to copy the link from address bar. Now, go to Fiverr Affiliate Program account. Here I will tell you what to do. Go to LP URL option on the right side and paste the link you copied. Then press enter. You see that links in below options are changed. Click on this icon to copy that link. Now go to Facebook and open comment option from that post and paste copied link at this place. You see that our link look like this in comment section. Now when anybody needs logo designer and he sign up and made their first purchase on Fiverr through the affiliate's unique referral link, then you will receive a commission. Also you can search other posts like Need SEO Expert and search that service on fiverr.com website and perform the same process. You see here hundreds of posts related to SEO Expert needed. You can do the same process and paste the links there, and when somebody clicks to purchase that service you will get your commission without spending even a single money. You see thousands of services on Fiverr freelance platform. You can choose any service and select gigs and share their links with others to earn. Open Account Details option from left menu and open Payment Details tab. Click on Edit button to edit payment details. Here, you can select payment currency. The available payment methods are Wire, PayPal, and Payoneer. Choose account type, VAT identification number, Payoneer ID, Payoneer username. After filling these details, click on Save button to save these details. I hope you liked this video and will start earning today by using the steps that I explained in this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.